So here we have the Ford Fiesta on a 19 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. From the outside though, you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. We're going to start off inside the boot area first of all. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors. Plenty of boot space as well, along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat should you wish to increase this space even further again. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside, as I mentioned. Now that we've done a full circle of it though, you can see it's in fantastic condition the whole way round. Great looking car as well. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter. On the right-hand side, the speedometer. In the centre at the bottom, the coolant temperature gauge and fuel gauges, and above that, the main trip computer, which includes the total miles for this car. Now 43,682. We have a digital readout for the speedometer, as you can see. You can change that information for various things. So we have our trip computer, vehicle settings, our telephone, audio, satellite navigation, menus, and back around to the beginning again. And the buttons that I was using to do that are just here. We have our stereo and phone controls. Stereo controls continue on the left-hand side, along with speed limiter. And then over in the center, the main touchscreen for the car. So down the bottom, we have our audio options. You can see AM, FM, and DAB radio, Bluetooth audio. There are 2 separate USB inputs as well, so you can plug devices into those, and they will appear up here as further options for you. Back to the home screen, we have our satellite navigation. Really nice, clear color display. It's a very easy system to use. And you pair up your phone from here.
Search for your vehicle on your device and select it once it is found.
Just follow the instructions on screen. Again, very, very easy to do. We have the main volume for the stereo just here. Beneath that, the air conditioning. So you can adjust the fan speed, temperature, and the direction the air is being distributed in. The air conditioning is on at the minute, so that's off. Back on again. You can recirculate the air that's in the car. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly in here, depending on the temperature you've set, of course. We have a heated rear screen, heated front screen, some storage down here, our 12-volt charging socket, USB input, the 6-speed manual gearbox, and then these buttons just here. So you can turn off the stop and start. This car's designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic to save you fuel. The system's off when that light shows. We can turn off our traction control, and we can put the car in eco mode from here as well. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Surrey Specialist Cars. We'd love to hear from you soon.